Hi, it's Mr. Azlan, the landlord, and the time is 13:30 in the afternoon on Tuesday, 19th of January 2021. And I'm about to go into my sauna, and because I've been gardening, and I garden in the middle of the day so that I get a lot of UV light for my to reverse my vitamin D3 deficiency, which causes my calcium deficiency. Anyway, when I'm in the sauna, I'm going to have this drink. Now, this drink is an interesting drink. I've got nine nellikai in it. These are the seeds of the nellikai. Nellikai is Amla, also known as Indian gooseberry, Phalanthus amblica. I've got the what do you call it, 2 key limes as well. These are the cores of the 2 key limes. I've got 1 Granny Smith. I've got 1 Limau Kapas, which is a lemon lime hybrid, and I've got 2 teaspoons of Jaljira. Okay, I'm gonna just give this a sip now because I'm gonna drink it while I'm in the sauna, my far infrared sauna. Wow, that's excellent. I also got 1 piece of Yacon to add some sweetness. Normally I don't juice Yacon because the fiber would be wasted if I juice it, but I thought with all the sourness from the Amla, the 9 Amla, and the Limau Kapas and the 2 key limes, I would need something sweet. So I've put the, what do you call it, 1 piece of Yacon as well. And the Jaljira powder, I got the recipe in another video, can Google for it. Is there for the salt actually. The spices are there for the antioxidants, but the salt I need because I tend to be a little hypotensive with my prostate medications. But I did test my blood pressure this morning and it was fine, just after I did my gardening. Okay, so I'm off to my sauna now and I'm gonna drink this. I made about 700 ml or so. This glass takes 400, and I've had a sip or 2 earlier. And see you next time. Bye.